1. Listen to the conversation. 2. You respond. 3. You speak first.
There's a pile of clothes that needs ironing.
I know, but I'm really busy today.
Do you think we can do it later tonight?
Honestly, I don't think I'll have time.
The clothes are for tomorrow, though.
Why don't you take them to the ironing shop nearby?
The one on the corner?
Yes, it's close and they're fast.
That's actually a good idea.
Great, it will save us a lot of time.
Now speak with me.
There's a pile of clothes that needs ironing. Do you think we can do it later tonight? The clothes are for tomorrow, though. The one on the corner? That's actually a good idea.
Now speak with me.
I know, but I'm really busy today. Honestly, I don't think I'll have time. Why don't you take them to the ironing shop nearby? Yes, it's close and they're fast. Great, it will save us a lot of time.
Click here to watch more videos. See you next time.